later in the packets than they do in there. So what we've been doing now is saying, well, make enough paint that you can use some in the packets and lay some out there. Now we use this at the end, at the last stage, right? We need to see all of that. But in the preliminary stages where you're blocking it doesn't need to be in there yet. Right? Now, we do have a different system for getting the emotions out. Yeah, so over here, this is, have you ever used this stuff for wine? So if you open them. So with these trays now, these stay wet pallets, you drill a little hole about the size. See that little tiny hole in the middle? You close your packet when you have all your paint in it. You burp it, you know, you push it down, and you push this into the hole. Put a piece of duct tape over the top. You've taken all the oxygen out of the container. Now with this in the freezer, with the stay wet pallets we use over the paint and this, I doubt it's drying at all. Oh. Now when you have it open here, it's drying the entire time, 2 hours a class. So that's why the packets last longer, but it's advantageous to see all your paint too at certain stages of your painting. So they have different uses at different stages, but there it is. Take a picture of that, you can get it on Amazon. And because it's lighter than air, feel it.
Oh,
it feels like it's empty, there's nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
It's lighter than air. You can even make this more organic, because it looks like a pencil or like a ruler. So put some bumps in it, everything organic. And as things come to the edges, don't leave anything light. They should dim, and then become the dark.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
Done?
No, how can remove there?
I think we'll just take the light and put it in there, the light one, okay? But then I want to put some dark in between this section here. Okay. So put some light in here and put some dark in those sections, the two that I had you pull out.